southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Putin Bay, Western Vermilion, Geneva on the Lake, Kelly's Island, Avon Point, Sandusky Bay, Huron, Willowwick, Fairport Harbor, Cleveland, Lorraine Harbor, and Vermilion. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Capable of producing a tornado was located near Grafton, 7 miles northwest of Medina, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage.